Hey guys, I've been using Legion Wi-Fi 40 for over 4 months now, and I'm impressed with most of the things. It has good build quality, crisp display, and a great keyboard. But speaking about the battery life, it's only a 52.5 watt hour unit and the battery life is poor. As you can see, I did a light load test, essentially watching YouTube videos on a loop until the battery depleted and the system only lasted 2 hours and 50 minutes. While switching to a heavy load test, I ran Rise of the Tomb Raider at max settings, and the system only lasted for 45 minutes. So, overall, it's certainly a disappointing result. But there are some tweaks which can be followed, and it does improve the battery life. Number 1. Hybrid mode. In the bundled Lenovo Vantage app in Windows 10 is an option called Hybrid mode, which lets the laptop use the integrated Intel graphics card when running on battery. Using the iGPU instead of the dedicated Nvidia chip saves power. So, while I performed the mentioned test with hybrid mode turned on, the battery lost about 20% of its full charge in half an hour, which is perhaps a mild improvement. I've had it on since the day one and never had any issues while gaming. Number 2. Thermal mode. Right below the hybrid mode, there is an option called thermal mode. It basically lets you control the fan speed. So, if you are gaming heavily and you need to dissipate the heat, performance mode would do wonders and the fans will run at max speed. But when you are doing light work, switching it to quiet mode makes more sense as it will save power. I wish Lenovo gave us custom fan profiles to tweak within the Vantage software. Before moving further, I suggest you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'd get notified every time we upload a new video. Number 3. Undervolting. You might have heard this term before. If not, it's basically a process where you can reduce the voltage that's going to the CPU without affecting the performance. So, lowering the voltage leads to a better temperature and overall a better battery life. I won't get into all the stuff here because I've already covered the details and procedure in my undervolting video, which you can check out here. So, if you are on Intel Extreme Tuning Utility, go to the Advanced Tuning and on the Score tab, click on the Core Voltage Offset. Lower the voltage one notch at a time until you have hit the limit. If you ask me, I think for Intel i5-9300H, the sweet spot is somewhere between negative 0.14 to negative 0.155 volts. So these are some major tweaks which you can do right now, and for reference I have also included some common tips which you can also follow. Like turn on battery saver if you are not doing something intensive like gaming or video rendering. Don't use keyboard backlight during the day as it sucks a huge amount of power. Close all the background applications which you are not using. And put the screen timer low so it won't waste any energy when your laptop is not in use. And if you are still getting a bad screen on time, you should consider visiting the Lenovo store to diagnose the issue better. That's all for now. Let me know down below if you have any query. You can also find me on Telegram and Facebook, so please join. This is Akhil signing off for now.